Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Monday. Yes, it's Monday, July the 5th, 2023, and I've already solved 3 puzzles: the Sudoku with 3 stars, Sudoku with 4 stars, and the binary. One puzzle is left, the Tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Sudoku, and this will be number 6697. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 13 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one. I do not know, we will see. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 13. But for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars, we don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always 1. Here single box, there single box. Single boxes are always a 1. Next question, do we have here in this puzzle a dual box or boxes? I see here only one dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here 1, 2, 3 triple boxes, contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, I do not know in which order here. Need more information, insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Here again I have not a lot of information for marking those boxes, but the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. But we already have a 5 here, so it can be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Here, the same situation. The 5 is already filled in. So the 1 and 2 and 3, well, I do not know in which order, so need to wait. Next question, do we have here in this puzzle quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3 and 4. No quadra boxes in this puzzle. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 or a 5. Alright. Do we have more L shapes here in this puzzle? Here. Rotate it. So this box has the same number as that box. And here, an upside down L shape. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. And I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We already have a 4 now in this area, so this box should be a 5, is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Alright, more L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only one shape, figure, structure or construction. Next shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, rotate it. This is a T shape. Rotate it. When you see this T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Only one shape. Yeah. Next shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. The 2 could be here, could be there. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Then this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me think. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Well, interesting. 1, 2, 4. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 4. So 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those. Is connected with that box. We also 3 and the 5. Yeah. 2, 4, 1, 4. Well. I need to think here. These 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. If I place a 1 here, if I place a 1 here, this box is connected with that box should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. 1. Think. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Well, this box, it's in the triple box. The only 3 numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 3. The 1 and the 2 and the 3 in this triple box is connected with that box. Should be 1, 2, or 3. But the 1 and the 2, well, look, we have a double 1 here and double 2 there. So it can be a double 1. It can be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. Same for the 2. Cannot place a 2 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only number left should be the 3. Is connected with that box should be also 3. So 2 numbers left in this triple box from numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. This one is connected with that box should be also 1 or a 2. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me think. This box can be, oh wait, no. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be surrounded 3. These 2 boxes surrounded 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. So two numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, and this box is connected with that box should be so 1 and 2 is connected with that box should be so 1 or 2, but we already have a 1 here, so it can be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 2 is connected with that box should be also 2, and this one is connected with that box should be also a 2. One box left in this L-shaped area for number 1. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1, so one box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be a 1, so one box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. So two numbers left for the numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those, 2 and 3. Alright. Think. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Well, this box can't be a 4 anymore because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And these two boxes can be a 3, so one box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, okay. 2, 4, okay. This box can be 2. Alright. These two boxes can be 3, so one box left for the 3 in this triple box should be there. Two numbers left, the 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Well, we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, this box should be a 2. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. A 3 and a 5, well, we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. Should be a 5, is connected with that box, should be also 5. These two boxes can be 3, that box can be a 3, so one box left of 3 in this L-shaped area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5. Oh wait, this box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1, the only place left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. Two numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Then two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3. That means that this box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. Same for here. Cannot place a 3 because we have a 3 there. And I cannot place a 3 there because we have a 3 here. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there, so that means that this box can be 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 1, that box should be a 3. This box can be a 1. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be a 1. So one box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So one box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Alright. Then. Let me think. This is a 2. Okay. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. Well, this box can be 2 anymore. We have a 2 here. So can it be 2 anymore? That box should be a 2. This box can be a 5, so 5 could be here, could be there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Two. Well, this box, I think it should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. So yeah, definitely a 1. Okay. These two boxes can be a 2 or a 4. We have a double 2 there, double 4 there. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4, and I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. So 1 box left in this area for number 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 or a 4. We have a 2 there. So no 2 there, so the 4 should be here. So I've eliminated the 5 now. Can we have 5? We have a 5 here. So the 5 should be there. And 1 box left in this area for number 3. Alright. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4, okay. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4 or a 5. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Come on. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. Can be a 3 is in the same area, and can be a 5. Yeah, definitely a 4 here. So we have a pair now, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2 in this area. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that these two boxes can be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. And then this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Come on. In the 2. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be 1 anymore because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So only 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore, that box should be a 1, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. 1 box left in this triple box for number 3. We go up. 2 and a 4. Well, we have, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this T-shape area for numbers 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And the final 2 numbers in this W area shape for numbers 3 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. 19 minutes. Well. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow on Tuesday. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Well, see you then. Bye bye for now.